ମୋତେ ଭୋକ ଲାଗୁଛି। I am feeling hungry. I am feeling hungry. ଖାଦ୍ୟ ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତ କି? Is the food ready? Is the food ready? ମୋତେ ଗୋଟେ ଗ୍ଲାସ୍ ପାଣି ଦିଅ। Give me a glass of water. Give me a glass of water. ଟିକେ ଅପେକ୍ଷା କର। Wait for a while. Wait for a while. ଏବେ ଶୋଇବାକୁ ଯାଅ। Go to sleep now. Go to sleep now. ତମେ କେମିତି ଅଛ? How are you? How are you? ମୁଁ ଭଲ ଅଛି। I am fine. I am fine. ତୁମ ନାମ କ'ଣ? What is your name? What is your name? ମୋତେ କ୍ଷମା କରନ୍ତୁ। Please forgive me. Please forgive me. ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ। Thank you. Thank you. ମୋତେ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରନ୍ତୁ। Please help me. Please help me. ତମେ କ'ଣ କରୁଛ? What are you doing? What are you doing? ମୁଁ ଏବେ ପଢ଼ୁଛି। I am studying now. I am studying now. ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି। I don't know. I don't know. ଶୀଘ୍ର ଉଠ। Wake up early. Wake up early. ଟିଭି ବନ୍ଦ କର। Turn off the TV. Turn off the TV. ପଙ୍ଖା ଚଲାଅ। Turn on the fan. Turn on the fan. ବାହାରକୁ ଯାଅ ନାହିଁ। Don't go outside. Don't go outside. ଘରକୁ ସଫା ରଖ। Keep the house clean. Keep the house clean. ମୋ କଥା ଶୁଣ। Listen to me. Listen to me. ତୁମେ କେଉଁଠିକି ଯାଉଛ? Where are you going? Where are you going? ମୁଁ ବାହାରକୁ ଯାଉଛି। I am going to the market. I am going to the market. ଏହାର ଦାମ କେତେ? How much does this cost? How much does this cost? ଏଇଟା ବହୁତ ମହଙ୍ଗା। This is very expensive. This is very expensive. ଟିକେ ରିହାତି ମିଳିବ କି? Can I get some discount? Can I get some discount?